Hi there guys and girls, good evening. As you can see, I have here a sweet and sour fish fillet. So yummy. And on the side, I have a cracker. Kropek. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. And a plain rice. Guys, this could be my day 3 of not eating meat. To give respect to our supreme being, for he suffered lots of pains, lots of struggles, humiliation, betrayals during his time, and he died on the cross. Okay, suffered under Pontius Pilate. Come on. Love it? Love it.